Hello, Friendship. I'm Jiz, and welcome to Magesco Garden and Pool Services, your one-stop provider for swimming pools, landscaping, and home improvement. We're back. In this video, I will take you behind the scenes of our latest project here at Magesco Garden and Pool Services. You will get to see how we transform ordinary outdoor space into a dream swimming pool. Plus, I will also share some helpful tips and ideas about swimming pools, from design inspiration to practical maintenance advice. So get ready to be inspired. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jez, and today we're diving into something truly exciting, one of the coolest construction projects we've been working on. We're here at this stunning 125 square meter swimming pool that's currently under construction, located right here in Silang, Cavite. But this isn't just any swimming pool. We've added a luxurious jacuzzi to give it that spa-like vibe. Now, this project is designed to be both functional and aesthetically beautiful. We're talking about a pool with an area of 125 square meters, which means it's large enough to host family gatherings, pool parties, or just a peaceful swim to escape the heat. The jacuzzi is strategically placed to offer a cozy, warm spot for ultimate relaxation. Whether it's a chilly evening or after a workout, a jacuzzi is always a great way to soothe the body and mind. Now, when it comes to the design of this pool, we've incorporated modern technologies to ensure both beauty and efficiency. So it's not just about looks, it's about functionality too. A good pool design means easy maintenance, which is essential for keeping your pool in top shape. Did you know that the first recorded swimming pool dates all the way back to ancient Egypt? It was called the Great Bath and was used by the Egyptians for religious and ceremonial purposes. Fast forward thousands of years, and today, swimming pools are not just about swimming. They've become an essential feature in many homes, with luxurious designs like infinity pools, heated pools, and of course, jacuzzis. Thank you so much for watching, mga ka-friendship. If you loved today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest projects and tips. Let Magesco Garden and Pool Services bring your outdoor dreams to life. See you in the next video.